Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade blackberry jam. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 6 cups of fresh blackberries, 4 cups of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 1 packet of powdered fruit pectin. Make sure your canning jars and lids are sterilized and ready. Using ripe, firm berries is key for a delicious jam, so pick them carefully. Now let's get cooking. In a large pot, crush your blackberries using a potato masher or fork. Stir in the lemon juice and the powdered pectin until well combined. Bring this mixture to a full, rolling boil over high heat, stirring constantly to prevent scorching. Once boiling, add all the sugar at once, stirring quickly to dissolve it completely. Return the mixture to a full, rolling boil. After adding the sugar, boil the jam vigorously for exactly 1 minute, stirring constantly. Then, remove the pot from the heat. To check for a proper gel set, place a small spoonful of jam on a chilled plate and let it cool for a minute. If it wrinkles when pushed, it's ready. Carefully ladle the hot jam into your sterilized jars, leaving about 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. Wipe the rims of your filled jars clean, then center the lids and screw on the bands until they are finger tight. Process the jars in a boiling water canner for 10 minutes to ensure a proper seal and safe storage. Once cooled, check the seals. Your delicious homemade blackberry jam is now ready to enjoy. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.